Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and this is my newborn insert from 4Moms for my MamaRoo, and I love it. It is so cute, and I love the design, the color, that it's reversible. You can use it on both sides. It's machine washable. We've already washed and dried it, and it's in great shape like new, and it's also really easy to put into your MamaRoo. Let me show you. So you just put the insert in, and then the top straps, they fit perfectly through the little crease underneath the head spot, and then the side straps, you put them through the hole. They fit nice and snug in there, and then you can put the straps together, and then that's it. You're ready to buckle your little one in nice and safely, and they have a ton of support for their head, and they fit nice and snug in their rocker. So if you're in the market for a newborn insert for your MamaRoo, definitely you're going to want to get this one from 4Moms because it fits perfectly in your MamaRoo, and it gives your newborn the support that he or she needs. And I think you're going to love the versatility of being able to use both sides, that it's reversible, machine washable, super easy to maintain, and that's my point of view.